Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about GeForce NOW Error Code 0xc2720007. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch the game through GeForce NOW but are unable to proceed because of this error. According to our research, this is a known issue on GeForce NOW's end and may be related to temporary service problems or any other issues. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to wait and try again after some time. Meanwhile, visit the official GeForce NOW status page at status.geforcenow.com to check if their services are experiencing any issues. If the error continues for too long, then you should contact GeForce NOW support and report the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.